So we're going to tear it apart and see what's inside, shall we? What is this, Margot?
This is the part where the chickens can exercise.
Run around.
Nice tight grid for the fencing.
Okay, so the chicken don't run away and the predators will not kill them. They're protected from the outside wall, but they can't run away either. So they run probably about 8 feet long and about 6.5 feet tall. So here it is. We're gonna build it together today. Having some nice after lunch treats with Margot, and Margot will videotape me.
Hey, tell us about your next project.
Oh, the next project, I think we're gonna put the chicken coops together, which is tomorrow. It has a space under the hen house, so the chicken can hide when they got scared, and when it's raining, they can hide under the cover. Here's the door, tall enough for me to move in and out to clean up the chicken coop. It's working hard. Here's the roof. Let's go inside and see what's inside. Here's the chicken run. So this is a sliding door. Ooh, it's dark inside. I can't see it. Let's open the nesting box. There you go. Here's the inside. There's a nesting box. It has a tray that will let you clean it up easily. It slide out like a drawer. Ooh, this thing won't close. Backyard Chicken 101. Here's Frank putting together the roof. The next step is to paint the outside of the chicken coop to weatherproof it a little bit. This is a perfect yard for backyard chicken. Is the gardener working? Here's the chicken coop. We just took it out of the box. We have the chicken scratch for the starter feed. This one is for the feeder, and this one is for the water. Let me turn it around. Let's see here, it says organic feed, non-GMO, USDA organic, scratch pack feeds, ready for my girls tonight. What else we have here? You will need this is electrolytes. You need to add it to the water when they first got in. And we have the lights, the heating lamp, red heating lamp from Tractor Supply. What else we have here? We have the nipples for the waterer. Got a notice saying they're there, so we will pick them up. So let's go. Here they are, guys, baby chicks from Murray McMurray Hatchery, and we are at the post office. We're just picking them up. I'm very excited. We're in the car. Can you hear the sounds of the baby chicks? At the U.S. Post Office. They're delivered priority mail. Arrived in 2 days. So let's go home. It's a nice overcast day today. And I'll turn on the heat to make sure the chicken is nice and comfortable. Here they are. So here they are, folks. I put my baby chicks in a nice comfortable room. Nice cozy bed with the red lamp. It seems like they quiet down a little bit once they hear the quietness of the house and the nice warm cozy heat lamp right above their box. Okay guys, let's open them, see what happened here. It says live baby chicks. Alright. Doggy, you wanna come here and check it out? Oh, look at them. I'll get a camera on top of it so all you guys can see this. Here they are, guys. Let's open them. Oh, look at that. Look at how cute they are. All 25 of them. They huddle together because they're cold. Let's close them. So the first thing I will do is to release the Kraken. Just release the chicken one by one. 2, 3. Look at this pretty one here. 4. Ooh. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Ooh! Ooh, sorry. 24, 25, 26. There you go. Looks like they're thirsty. Some of them getting the water right away. So what I will do, I will dip each of every one of this baby chicks in the water. So I will dip their beaks in the, just guide them to the water so they know where the water is. Come on, chick, chick, chick. Well, it looks like some of them are hungry. They start looking for their feed, so I will go get the feed now. So I gave them their feed, put some of them on the newspaper there. Hopefully they'll figure it out. That's where the food is. You can see the buff color one is very bossy, and there's a black one on top right now. While Doggy was curious at first, eventually he just didn't care. He's okay with the sounds of chick, 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 chick. Doggy! And don't forget to put something heavy at the bottom, at the base of the waterer, so the chicken won't tip the water over and make a mess out of their box. Hi guys. When you first got your chickens, make sure that they don't have any pasting. Pasting means they have their poop stuck to the back of their feathers, and they'll have problems later because they can't go to the bathroom. So you have to clean it with the wet towels, paper towels. Make sure that it's all clean. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm checking them, make sure that no one has a problem. So far so good. It looks like no one has that problem.